Vicky and myself will be coming up close, some of you, so I need your cooperation. Please remain seated at all times. Now, when the female hornbill wants to nest, they will look for cavities or holes in trees. Now, right here in the bird park, we have successful breeding programs for our hornbills. Now, this is because we give them nest boxes, very similar to that nest box right up there. Now, I will be coming up the staircase out. People around me, no sudden movements. Please do not reach out to touch the bird as well, okay? Supporters, remember to cheer for the birds. Birds are ready, let's go! Dalmatian Pelicans! Now back to Africa. Birds with the long and sexy legs, supermodels of the world, a greater flamingo! Ladies and gentlemen, we have come to the end of our show. In a very short while, we will be ushering all these birds back home and we'll be inviting you on stage to take photos with another group of flamingos. If you are interested, please do stay on for that. And if you'd like to bring home fond memories of our show, right up there my friend has plush toys going at a special price only right here at Poolside Phuket. Please do check them out. Last but not least, on behalf of our sponsor, the Singapore Press Holding Foundation, continue to enjoy the ride here in the park. But before you leave, please take a look around you and take all your belongings with you when you leave. Thank you and bye-bye! Ladies and gentlemen, you're more than welcome to come forward and take pictures of our lovely birds as the trainers usher them back home. But just a gentle reminder, please do